WMP CNC China. Thanks for your watching our live show on Alibaba. Glad to here to show our machinery for you. Maybe someone already our customer, someone heard WMP from in the world. So in here, I will introduce WMP CNC machinery for you and introduce our company information for you. WMP CNC machinery is part machine more than 50 years. And we mainly export and manufacture CNC lathe machine, CNC milling machine, lathe machine, CNC machine sander, bandsaw machine, everything. If you like buy some machines and interesting machinery, you can send the inquiry on Alibaba, and our sales manager will help you to choose a suitable machine and best quality machinery for you. Yeah. WMP CNC machinery really export machine more than 15 countries, and our machine quality with our machine quality with the best, and we can do OEM service. We can, according to your requirements, do your company logo and machine color and some design according to requirements. And our machinery, we can. We have some engineers check our machine quality, and before the delivery we have electrical engineer to check electrical parts, and main engineers check machine quality. Okay, in our new showroom today we will show our small drilling and milling machine and lathe machine for you to check. Now you can see this is the small baby. Yes, this is small baby for drilling and milling machine. For this model, you can see it is really mini size. The machine very nice. This is the new design. You can see the color with blue and gray color. Also, you can, according to requirements, do different colors as you like. For this model, we can do DIY, always DIY use how we used for home, and do some small book keys, and also can do the square training for students, training small parts. For this model, you can see here the look. For one drilling and milling machine, combine 5 parts: electric box, motor, column, spindle, and machine base, work table. The machine, for this model, machine can drilling 30 mm for drilling the horse, and the spindle type with motor type 3, and R8 spindle type according to your country requirements. To different spindle type, and the mini size table size. The table size was 460 multiplied 110 mm. Including the 3 T-thirds. For small machine, we can easily for remove the work table. For home machine, you can maybe some customer will ask, how about his motor? The motor with brushless motor. For this mini milling and drilling machine, the name was ZAY7013V name. Maybe someone will ask, what's the meaning of a weight? The weight means very speed. The motor with brushless motor, 550 watts, and this is the electric box. This is the speed changer. The very speed means we don't need to change gears, and just remove the speed menu. The speed was 0 to 215 RPM with big range, and the machine with brushless motor. So this model working for some parts with very low noise. This is a great pattern. This is the driving reverse forward button. This button was emergency installed. When you accident, something happens. We press this button, the machine will stop. Okay, you can see here with WMT brand. For this model, we always put our company WMT CNC logo in here. If you like, you can put your company logo, company information in here. Okay, now we are introduce the machine's some working size. The machine working drawing the hole 60 millimeter, and the axis curve is travel 100 millimeter, and the y-axis travel 300 millimeter, and this is spindle z-axis travel 220 millimeter, and the spindle can be removed 45 degree, and for left 45 degree also. And the motor was 550 brushless motor with very small size and with low noise. And the face milling capacity with 250 mm and spindle. There has a C standard. The C standard means this cover will protect our eyes when you work in some hard materials will protect our safety. We can open it and close. And also for this model, we can maybe some customer will ask, what is the wattage? The machine wattage, according to your company, to 220 wattage and 110 wattage, also okay. This is the left and spindle left and down. You can remove the machine down with the spindle. It's very easy for operation. For square training, it's very safety and also can be DIY used for working small piece. The machine including some standard accessories, including the hand wheel and the draw truck, and some wrench, small parts for use for this machine. Also, according to your requirements, you can do milling truck on your machine, milling face cutter, and machine wires, a clean case on here, and clean case on here, clean some different parts. For this model was very mini size. The heavy total series 65 kilograms. If you are stronger, you can pick up this machine for people. It's also okay. The machine also, according to your requirements, choose some machine standard and different optional accessories according to your requirements. We also have some different drilling and milling machine, like a very speed and a motor feeding machine. We can do different color and different design for you. For this, just a small drilling and milling machine, easy for operation. Also, machine can some bigger drilling and milling machine can do can add DRO and add cooling system and machine standard. For this, just a small baby. Yeah. Okay, we just simply to introduce for this model. We will see next model for our lathe machine, automatic feeding bench lathe machine. For this model, you can see here is big medium lathe machine. The machine color is black and yellow color. For the whole machine, the distance centers was 750 millimeter, and the span bore. Normally, the small lathe machine span bore was 20 millimeter. For this machine, was span for 26. You can see different span for clean the clips, wood clips. For this model, also machine according the CE standard. This is the CE protector.
The span. This is the three-truck truck. This three-truck truck brand was Sanwo brand was from China famous brand. The name K12125 and the span speed 3000 span speed. Eventually, for this type name was automatic bench leasing machine DRY 1028 model. And for this model also can do workshop and sport training. DIY use also okay. This can working for aluminum, steel, wooden, and some hard materials and soft materials also okay. And the speed with the two changes the speed. For one menu with three changes. One speed 150, the two speed was 210, the three speed was 350, and the six speed 550. Nine speed the five speed 970, and the last high speed 1016 620. Automatic feeding bench leasing machine without feeding the function. There has some table. The table shows different stroke. We need to change the different gears to change the gears according to the different stroke. Color. This is a hard color. And this is the four tools. Photos installed. They are also installed the lazy toys. This is the index for lazy toys, 20 millimeter. This is the torque post cover. When you're working, protect our safety. This is the torque post. Lazy torque post.
有点快了啊，12分钟。
This is the outfending menu. When your machine working, you need speed back forward or automatic menu for control the stroke, move and back forward. The tools are also easy for move and back forward. Okay. Next, we will see this tail stroke. The tail stroke with the Moser Taper 3. We can install the leaf center. When you work in the log bars, you can install leaf center on here and straight. The tail stroke we can remove according to your workpiece, long or short. To working, it's easy for remove. Stand here, and there has three underwear with the standard accessories. Next, this is the electric control the machine. This is the outfending menu, the emergency stop. This is the green button was opening the machine. The red button was stopping the machinery. This is a medium laser machine. We also have some small laser machine and big laser machine working for different parts. For this part, we finished for this model. We clean the three-draw truck. We use the three-draw truck and we use the three-draw truck and clean these parts. For cleaning these parts and the lazy for
慢一点，慢一点。
clean these parts, and the 3 dry truck will clean these parts, and we remove the torus. We use the lathe here, and the median center was 100 millimeter. The lathe will lathe these parts and okay, we can finish the for this machine now was power off. For their lathe top post, we can install 4 different lathes according to workpiece. Now we lose the workpiece. Okay, when you get for this machine, when you're working for this machine, you need firstly you need read the English manual. We have English manual in our machine standard. The first you need learning the machine some specifications. We will have some tips for you, and there have shows the general safety instructions, installation and operation gears and gear table, some diagram test job, and some details on our English manual. You need to check it. And there also have some draft for workpiece details. The machine also can add some optional accessories according to workpiece. Some lathe tools you need to choose. And the new center drilling truck, and also with the machine standard. The machine standard you can see is big, very big, and the big area you can put some workpiece and lathe toys. It is very useful according to your requirement to choose. And the machine stand also including the lock when you leave the lathe machine, protect for some things. Also, you can see that the machine also put the WMTC logo. You also, according to your requirements, do your company logo OEM service. We can do OEM service and do different color according to requirements. Also, the machine, every seat machine, including the one accessories, standard accessories. You can see we put the one package for you. And some dead center, gears, and some drive truck and wrench according to requirements. We also can put it in your books. We will show our sample machine working videos for you checking. For now, our usual room we don't have electric, so now we will show on my phone. For this videos will show the small drilling and milling machine working. This is the drilling the hole and the drive truck. Drilling the working for airline workpiece and the machine wise cleaning the small workpiece. Okay, we will show the lathe machine videos for you checking. This is the videos for small lathe machine, so cutting the airline. Is the working finished? If you like our small lathe machine and small drawing machine, you can send a message on Alibaba, and our sales manager will send a message for you by minutes. Okay, next we will have some machine accessories in our new showroom. Next time we will show for you. For this time, we will show our most important catalog. Yes, this is the 4 catalog. They are introduced WMT CNC machineries for the different models. CNC laser machine, front and milling machine, band saw machine act. This is the full catalog. You can download. Also, you can get some mini parts catalog for self-made forming machine. For this machine, mainly for bending machine and rounding machine, band saw machine act, shelving machine act. According to requirements, choose. For another catalog shows hobby CNC machinery. For this catalog mainly introduces small CNC laser machine, CNC milling machine. You can download our catalog and choose different machinery. The next catalog mainly for machine accessories and tools. You can in this catalog you can choose different machine accessories like dividing head, work table, and some machine wires. There has details and shows the different size according to requirements. You can choose different machine wires. There shows the details, details specification on here. You can choose details. Okay, you can download our catalog on your on Alibaba, and here have some different specifications in here. In our new showroom, we also have a small CNC milling machine. You can see this is the small CNC milling machine, just let me talk. The small CNC milling machine, you can see this is the model with SK7113 model. You can see 30 means drawing the hole and face the workpiece was 30 millimeter. For small milling machine, you can see here the controller with the WMT CNC after CNC controller. For this controller, you can see was the international design. We can do Chinese and English according to your requirements. For controller, can do the GSP controller, Siemens controller according to your requirements. You can program to UG or SolidWorks program for user machine. The machine also including the working line. The working line shows the 3 colors. One color, green color, means the machine working. Red color means something happens. And the yellow color one is the machine working well. Okay, we can see here the mini size. The machine work table size was, we open the door, and the machine work table size with 400 millimeter, multiply 130 millimeter. And the machine spanner also ER25, and the span speed with 3000 RPM. For this small machine also can be working for square training, DIY use. This is the 4-axis for working different parts. The spanner for this model also including the coolant systems. The spanner with speed with 3000 RPM. There has a working line. When in the night working, you can open the working line. It's very easy for operation. And the machine also very big working size. We also have different small CNC milling machines. For this model was 3 type was the SK7113C model. We also have like a small baby SK7113A model. For this model also can be working. The working size was same as the same model, just with the match 3 controller. And for this controller with the panel controller with Alpha controller, China brand. And the brand the controller also including the hardware, emergency stop, green button. Also the machine including the servo motor, one power, servo motor. The coolant when you're working the hard materials, iron, steel, and wooden, you can use the coolant. There can install the different lathe, different toys, druggies according to requirements. The machine is also including the electric box. This is a single electrical box. You can see cell motor, big power motor. In here, when you're accessing something, you can choose the electric parts. For our machine, before delivery, our electric engineers also check the machinery, those parts one by one. For this model, for the server mini training for working the different parts. We also can do your company name and a website in here. And according to requirements, you also according to you choose the different color and the different name on your machine. Also for our machinery, maybe some customers how to buy WMT CNC machinery. You can search WMT CNC machinery on Alibaba and ask our sales manager. We can check some best price for you. We can send the machine to, if you have FOB shipping agent in China, we can send machinery to your agent. If you not have agent in China, we can send machinery to your nearest port. Then you will pick up the machinery at your site, but you need pay for tax at your local. And our machinery packaged with the poly wooden packaged, and also the machine quality with the CE standard. According to your requirements, we can do some different documents. And before the delivery, we can send a packing list and commercial invoice for you checking. Do not worry about quality. The quality, we have 5 engineers for checking one set machinery. And we support machine more than 15 countries. You can download our catalog and search WMT CNC on the website. We would like to community with you. And about sport training, we have online service. We can combine our engineers on the group. You can tell us your problems. We can serve it for you face to face to solve your problems. It is very easy. Also, you can see our drawing has some CNC lathe machine center, lathe machine, milling machine, and grinding machine, CNC milling machine, and bandsaw machine. We have 18 years manufacturing experience. If you have a chance, we welcome to our factory and check our machinery. You also can send a message on Alibaba. Download our catalog. You can search WMT CNC machinery on Alibaba. We have some different machinery and some different can do some different color. WMT CNC machinery You can search on Alibaba, on website, on Google, and Facebook. We also have some videos on YouTube. You can choose. You can check it. You can check it. We also can do our sales manager. We can by telephone and send an email for you. Also pay. If you have any interest, you can download our catalog, and we will send our machine photos, videos for you checking. The lead time has limited. Wish us have a good collaboration. We talk in next time. Thanks for your watching our YouTube WMT CNC machinery. Bye bye.